Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when screen snip is not working on your Windows 10 computer. So when you click on it, nothing happens. So in order to fix this problem, the first step is to update Snip and Sketch app. For that, open Store on your computer. So just type in Store in Windows search box and open Microsoft Store. On the top here you can see the three dots, click on it, then click on download and updates, then click on get updates, and if there is any pending update for Snip and Sketch app, it will go ahead and update it, and then you can go ahead and use the app. Now still you're facing the problem. The next step is to reset Snip and Sketch app. So open Windows 10 settings, go to the settings, then click on apps. Now over here type in Snip and click on Snip and Sketch app, click on advanced option, scroll down, and here you can see the reset option. Click on reset, and once you see the tick mark over here, you can try to use the tool once again. Now still you are facing the problem, then you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall the Snip and Sketch app. To uninstall it, make a right click on the start menu and then click on Windows PowerShell admin. Make sure that you're running this Windows PowerShell as an admin. So click on it, click on yes to allow, and then copy this command. This command is provided in the video description. Copy this, paste it on the PowerShell window, hit the enter key. This will uninstall Snip and Sketch app on your computer, and once this is done, open Store once again, and in the search box on the top here you can go ahead and type in Snip and Sketch and click on Snip and Sketch app. Then click on install. Now once the download is complete, now you can go ahead and you can click on launch and you can use it, or you can simply go to the action center and then click on screen snip, and then you can go ahead and start using it. So this is how you can go ahead and fix it, and you should be able to use the Snip and Sketch app. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.